Dear fellow recruiter, Suman Pachigula here. Here in this video, I am going to share how Pajama HR, which is a free applicant tracking system, is now offering the AI-based test that can help us screen and hire matching candidates, right? So before we get into how we can create the test, let me share if you are aware of how to create the jobs, right? So I hope you know how to create jobs over here and publish it multiple platforms. So this is what I have created earlier, and let me share my screen. And yes, so these jobs have been created. I hope you have checked the previous videos to understand how to create the job, and from here you can publish the job in multiple platforms for free, including the LinkedIn as well. And the recent video I have created about Boost, right? If we want to have more candidates, 500 candidates in 2 weeks, so you can use this Boost option. All right, now before we get into the text function, you need to know that Pajama HR also have a Chrome extension, right? And from here you can import all your candidates to Pajama HR. What will be the benefit of doing it? So once you import your candidate to it, so all your candidates will sit in the talent pool. Okay, so this is the talent pool option. Here it is. And once it is once the candidates are in talent pool, so here we have 42 candidates which I have gathered so far. So from here we can able to select candidates, and we can send tests from here. So if you can go from here, we can add it from the job. These are the applications. Okay, these are the candidate applications, and we can send tests from here as well. So how we can create the test? Okay, we'll see that in a moment. So from the job, what we can do, we can publish the job from here, or we can use the Boost option. And from the talent pool I was showing you, right? So from the talent pool you can select multiple candidates, and you can send mass emails as well from here. So let me take you to the test part, which is very much interesting. Okay, now let's understand how we can send tests to the candidates. All right, so by now you have understood how we can create the jobs from here, how we can boost it, and how we could able to send it to multiple platforms, and using candidate Chrome extension for importing candidates. Now once you import the candidate, once you have all your candidates in one platform, now you could easily screen these candidates. You could able to schedule interviews. You can directly send bulk emails to the candidates, and it could be rejection emails, or you can send in calendar invites from directly from here. Okay, you could select directly from here. Now once this process is completed, what is important now? Let's say there are so many people have applied. Now you have sent emails. Now you want them to take a test. How would you do that? So by doing this manually, it is very much difficult. To help recruiter do this work easily, Pajama HR is offering now that AI-based test function that can help us do testing things efficiently with accuracy, meaning all the checks, all the questions, everything that is so perfectly crafted, and it provides the functions that can help us maintain the accuracy. And at the same time, what is very much important is when we send the test, right? Is the candidate is taking the test or someone else taking the test? Now that part, which is one of the monitoring vigilant part, that is also been included in Pajama HR's test assessment that we are sending in there. So it helps the HR to select candidates with full fairness, right? That's what we want. We really don't want any sort of human intervene in doing that. There are two types of tests are there. One is programming and multiple choice questions, and there are case study based. Okay, let me run you through to the test part so that you could easily understand. So here in the function in the top, once you log in, I'm gonna send the login link, the sign up link in the description. Sign up through that. It's totally free. Yeah, let me show you how to create the test. Okay, so once you click on the test option, here it will open up with new test. Okay, once you click the new test, it will help us to send tests for the technical roles as well as for the non-technical roles. So if we go to the technical roles, let me show you. We click this one, then we go to continue, and here we have to add what sort of technologies that we want the candidate to take the text for. Let's say I'm going to use for Java backend, Java and JavaScript, and I want to use Node.js. Okay, that's what I want. And what kind of experience seniority level? Let's say mid to senior level. Okay, if I have a job, I will attach that job to this. If not, I'll directly continue it so that my test is prepared. So here in this test, okay, all this question, anything that we want to keep it, we want to edit it, everything it could be done. Okay, I hope it is visible, right? Yes. So this one is the summary, a preview of any of what we have added in the test. Okay, so here we can edit, delete everything. We can set duration here, how long we want the candidate to spend on the test, and it's other options also there. And it has a preview over here that how exactly it will look and what is the score, everything which are editable. Now once it is done, I'm going to create the test. Okay, once the test is created, what I can do, I could able to send these tests. Okay, I open it, and here I could able to send the test. Either I could able to attach to the jobs, or I could go to the pipeline candidates, or do that, and we can schedule it as well when the test should go to the next level, right? I hope you found it interesting. This is one of the great features that Pajama HR is offering. I hope you are going to use it and maximize your submissions by screening top candidates. Take care and God bless.